So we have Robert. Can't see where Robert's from, but he is saying ETF 6 is mostly in cash right now. So this question might not be totally applicable at the present, but I noticed that there are at least 4 holdings, could be more, in ETF 6 are also on the buy list. As I move forward with the FISM strategies, my concern is that my portfolio will have individual stocks from the buy list while simultaneously owning those stocks in ETF 6. I assume double ownership scenarios will occur other than Timothy ETF and mutual funds too. Does FISM take this into account when offering up to recommendations found on the buy list? Obviously, my concern here is proper diversification and asset allocations. Thank you.
Well, your concerns are well placed, Robert. And, we would say that that's the case. If you own different mutual funds outside of our strategy, if you own a lot of, people think that you need to own a lot of different mutual funds, but if you do, you're probably just creating a lot of duplication in your account. So we do not take that into account as we put stocks onto the list. So there may be, the ETF is going to have a set number of holdings, and that's going to change every 6 months. So although ETF 6 right now is mostly in cash, the counterpart to that, which is what it would look like once it redeploys the cash, makes up no more than 8% of any given portfolio asset allocation model for any age group. And fully allocated, it would have somewhere around 300 holdings. The top holding usually represents no more than 0.5% to 1% of the overall fund. So if you put those two numbers together, that gives you a really low addition if you're adding that stock individually to your portfolio. So it will not make you overweighted if you stay within that 1 to 2.5% range or limit for individual positions in your portfolio.